Guys, welcome back. So I was thinking while I was in the shower, I should do a video on how to stay focused, right? We all need it as an entrepreneur and from working from home with all the distractions, right? So today we're going to talk about 8 ways that you can stay focused. And let's starting with the first one. You know what? Wait. Hey, babe?
Yeah?
How about we change something with this wall?
Like what?
Like everything.
Alright, let's see what we can do. There, is that better?
Yeah, this is great.
Perfect, sounds good.
All right, you guys, now let's get back to it. Today I'm going to go over 8 tips on how to keep your focus and not get distracted. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, back to it. Let's start with 8 tips to keep you focused. Number 1, prepare your brain. And what I mean by that is when you're about to start work, take in a deep breath and a deep breath out and calm your brain down. A lot of times we get so anxious. We have a large to-do list. We've been putting it off, or it's already been kind of a day. And our mind is just not there mentally to get started on a large to-do list. Right before you start work, so you don't get distracted, just mentally prepare. Tell yourself some awesome affirmations of why you're so amazing, why you get to do what you do every single day, and how lucky that is. I remind myself how amazing it is to be able to work from home, to do the tasks that I truly love, and to always give my clients the best of the best quality work. That prepares me mentally and calms my brain down all at the same time. Pretty neat. Number 2, understand where your focus needs to be. Now again, if you have a large to-do list, you might be jumping from task to task to task, and your brain might be running in 50 different directions. Right before you get started, focus on one thing and give yourself 20 minutes just to accomplish that one thing. Even if you don't finish it fully, just say, you know what, in 20 minutes, I'm going to focus on this task and just only think about this task. So go to your tabs, X out all of the extra tabs, because if you're like me, you might have 3 different windows open and 20 different taskbars, and close it out and only open one tab and focus on what that task is supposed to be. Tip number 3. This is a really good tip, you guys. It's all about unplugging right before you start work. If you're like me, I'm surrounded by my phone and computers day in and day out because of the nature of my work. And if you're like that too, it's so easy to be overstimulated with your brain. Right before you start work, take 30 minutes, unplug everything, leave your phone in your office, close the door, turn off the TV, go read a book, or go for a walk. Unplug, get back into nature, get back with yourself, and take some quiet time. This is going to help you recharge, relax, and get you prepared to start seeing those screens again. Number 4, my favorite tip out of all of these, grab some coffee. A lot of times if I've been working for a couple hours and I'm getting demotivated and I'm just looking for any distraction out there, I take a deep breath and I go make myself some coffee. Caffeine is great to give you some energy, but I also love the taste of coffee and the act of making it. It's a great 2 to 3 minutes to get me up, moving, and drinking something hot or even ice cold, and it reawakes me to get back to work. Speaking of ice cold, tip number 5, check the thermostat. Now, everyone's a little different, whether they like to be a little bit chilly or a little bit warm, but I hate being cold, and whenever I'm cold, I'm always in a sweatshirt or I'm wrapped around in blankets, which tends to make me fall asleep. So I know if I go and check the thermostat and I see the air's on, or maybe it's during the summer and it's way too hot, I try and keep my temperature anywhere between 73 and 75. This is a great nice temperature for me to keep me awake, warm, but not too warm where I am dreading life. So check your temperature and find the right temperature that keeps you awake and ready to work. All right, you guys, number 6, busting some tunes and having a dance party. A lot of times if I've just been sitting down all day, even just doing a quick stand up kind of helps. I know once I start dancing it out, my entire day turns into a 180. My mind is hyped up, my body has a lot of blood flowing, and I'm in just a way better mood. And this keeps me so motivated. And of course, number 7, sometimes you just need to take short breaks. So remember when I was talking about just spending 20 minutes on one task? After you finish that task, take a break. Take a 2-minute walk around the house, go outside, check the mail, do something for 2 to 5 minutes, and then come back and then spend another 20 to 45 minutes on another task. This keeps you very focused in those sprints, but also gives you time to get up, walk around, and recharge your body. And finally, last but not least, number 8. This is great for any creatives out there, but doodling. I don't know about you, but doodling brings me back to high school when the teacher would drone on and on and on. And a great way for me to just get my head right back into space and stop staring outside the window is doodling. Giving myself 30 to 60 seconds to just get whatever is clogged into my mind out on paper, and then coming back to reality and going back to my task. All right, you guys, that was 8 different tips to help you stay focused and not get distracted like I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video, and if you did, let me know below and let me know what helps you to stay focused and motivated. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I make new content for the Stay at Home Profit family. And don't forget, head over to Facebook and say hi to me in my Facebook community group, Stay at Home Profit. See you guys next time. Bye.